Muslim girls' names starting with O, P, and Q with meanings in English. Oma means long lived. Opa means beautiful. Pakiza means pure. Pakshi means bird. Parveen means very noble star. Peridot means a green gemstone. Phiroza means turquoise. Qaailah means speaking girl. Qaaniah means satisfied, contented. Qabalah means responsibility. Qabilah means wise, consenting. Qabool means accepted. Qadira means powerful. Qaailah means one who speaks, chief. Qamar means the moon. Qamra means moon. Qaaniah means contented. Kara means cloudlet. Qariba means near. Kasuma means she was a poetess. Kisaf means brittle. Qabilah means conquered. Qadusia means a blessed girl, a pious girl, celestial. Qadusia means holy, celestial, glorious. Quentin means from the Queen's land. Kuratalan means coolness of eyes. Kureba means utricle. Kuratalan means delights of the eye, darling. Disclaimer: this tutorial is only for knowledge sharing purposes. I cannot guarantee the name and the meanings in this video tutorial. If you want to give a name to your baby, then I would advise you to consult a local scholar for verification before deciding a name for your baby, because names can be spelled and pronounced differently in different languages and different cultures. Thank you very much for joining me. If you have Any questions or comments, then please use the comment section below. Please like this video tutorial and share it with your friends and family. If you are new, then please subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.
Like, share, subscribe. Ifactner.